다른
맨도 만 메인 스테디움 가서도 이또 릭스도 그거 섞어서 메인 스테디움 가서 3, 4, 5 days 노래서 하문하
세대
हाँ और वो everyday है ताई दो तीनटा लोगो जीता लोगो चारटा लोगो
Hello people area NSL Chumoukedima NSL stadium de na ase so ye de live screening role ase mohan semi final or final to and we get ready thagi aji to la preparing first day la money de na advertisement la videos kan lo ase so keep waiting we are coming itu ball evenly na yes screening la live screening la three of us are organizing this event Kenisha Nike piche lock right over so it all up shoot can grow let's go we came from that side from here to here till here to the jaga de the middle de screening dalo le se projector do Nike shya pipeline gore se kini rajon so da kini what design gore se don sab to tala in charge se or his the marketing pura marketing kan tai gore se to the advertisement kala na and I will be the videographer advertisement banao nei dit khan mo gro aro camera shots khan mo lo le se so let's see kina jawa
to moidu itu aro mo kwani na flag down print go do nya to na de kina
to mon decision le je da ido projector do chile middle de rakhibo tala screen do chile do aro gallery itu gallery ande boina saw itu general khan na ina gorna after this the general la se ina gorna ene kumba vip ne buo person ina an thaki chile do apni an bitor de book korna bo paro aro bitor de do chile do tade do chile do ni jane ase bitor de letra na kor lage itu to civilized mana ni jane ase kina kor lage to bitor de do para tak to chile do good kahan no chile ina toxic saman khan use na kor le ina rules banawle ase to itu back side ase itu stadium la back side entry gate to chile do entry gate is here itu is entry gate to one gate one ase or one is here ekta do ide ase so
to yere entry go na tare entry go na jumna ya
to stall bi ekta thakibo itu organizer team ba rakhibo le ase stall do
stall owner sam ye
we are done with our drone shot this is drone shot la video this salmon thagile da mohala da advertise de ai hode to mala team khan deita tinjun ere buina ase to man jaga ando salise idia ಇದು stadium do salise NSL la chumula to itai do la seta mohana lop planning hang korle se kina korle balo so now we are moving out from the stadium. Kenny is here. Niki vede se ada face look to mano. Versa Sundarin er.
Hornbill na.
Hornbill TV honest.
Hornbill TV na re affiliate kuna ta.
To piche look ro. Bye. To guys man ground ma ita punji se ground ma punji se na man saman gan lo bisare se tabi itu screening guru garne na to aro mola friend jumba tai gori dinner mate se tare dinner jaw pichide aji the whole night man tala editing ang guru le se flyer ham banao aro advertisement gan banao le se to aji whole night kam karo itu vlog to lamba ho pare to sai thegi man la process kina ja se apne ki dikho bye tu la nila feast itu paiside my friend but this is ita moi dai na ase and this is pork with akhan no na
Packing the powder.
sorry they full on this
Ralan.
they like they packing gonna rakhe alright mala handsome boy da tela festival ase so moi ne handsome de ne misam se ko ase de te puchas ne do to ita tela godai na ase e na na lop dialog mari ase man lop boina ulai jaw to ita jenaro itu agire moi flyer hang kuira to itu banawale ase jana so my friends they are waiting for me there so tade lok kro de bye this is what I got from Toga Tulunila festival kane and then look who is here woo special thank you so much Toga and to all the Sumi brothers happy Tuluni to moita satila gora punji she now we're editing some flyers Nikki's on the work and Kenny's went to get some ice cube yeah this is how we are working aji to morning tak kam growish na se so and this is me and we are working like this enga kam gorish de mondo to amne football sawale itu vlog to chile do kali upload ho to please do support us okay bye for now